Larry from Super Tech. I'm here in Long Island, New York at Elite Restoration. Check it out. They have like a ton of vehicles around the other side. Really nice shop. And I'm looking forward to going inside, seeing Travis, Felicia, a whole bunch of other people. They got a bunch of women working here, which is really cool. In the field, doing work, restoration company. How cool is that? But they've been a member for a couple weeks. I'm looking for some great feedback. Anyway, I'm gonna pineapple them and go in there. We'll see you.
The bathroom one, I gotta kick out.
We had an incident with the bathroom.
Yeah, what happened?
Okay.
They destroyed the bathroom.
Who destroyed the bathroom?
One of the subs. And we gotta cut the cost.
Yeah, they definitely have been helpful, and having you here is going to get them to be more engaging in it. They're going to understand it a lot more, what the importance is. I actually had one of my guys this morning, Eddie, came up to me. He's like, "Oh, I love the lessons." He's like, a couple of them they really struck home. So
good.
So he's getting all the other guys to make sure they're doing it. And there's an issue that could have been easily resolved, something that may come common sense to one person. It's like, how did you not know to do that? And just those little things. I'm always looking for continuing educating my staff, because that's what I do for myself. And something like this, where the attention span of us are not all that strong, and if we can clip 5 minutes in the morning and it could potentially improve their day or their week, then it just makes a whole lot more sense. I like the little bite-sized pieces, because we do a lot of different trainings, but this is I think a lot more unique to the technician and to the day-to-day. It's good. It's great for the technician, but it's great for the project managers. It's great for even for the marketing guys, the business development. So they just understand. The disc stuff is huge. I've been hearing about that for a long time, and taking the different tests to figure out what your personalities are. I've done that before, and it's great for people to really understand that. And
So how about that? A little bit of a connection in Long Island. Had a really good time. These guys are on the ball. They're paying attention. They're thinking. It's going to make a big difference. You heard Travis. These lessons make a difference in the technicians. And it warms my heart that everybody's going to benefit. So you have a great day. See you on the next visit.